Yung nakikita naman ng mga Americans kay Trump is, bro, he's just being real. Yun yung sarili niya eh.
I know where this is going. Kasi, like, parang may mga taong nagbo-brought up ng culture war. Na-observe ko lang, people are classifying the presidentiables based on personalities. Parang somehow nagiging Pinoy Big Brother. Like, let's say, that person who is just being real, pero yung ugali is rude, the morals is questionable, or someone daw na mabait, pero we're easy to point out that hypocrisy in them. Kahit na sabihin natin nag-effort siya para magbago, but we are not buying into this. We would rather choose someone na talagang real at being an asshole. It's just observable the way we are not being so discerning sa mga choices natin, sa mga binaboto. Kasi it's more than personalities. Tingnan yung mga track record nila.